Insane, back again with another video. But before I start, I'm not a financial advisor, financial dependent or financial consultant. The information I display in my videos are for informational purposes. This is my crypto journey. Anything you decide should be based on your own research. Okay guys, back again with a different platform. This is actually another Telegram bot. This one is called Ebix Trade. So as you can see on the screen, they operate using BTC and ETH, and their platform started recently on June the 9th. And you know, basically this is another Telegram bot paying a certain amount of percentage a day. So as you can see here, we've got the different plans. So the standard plan is last 20 days. The interest is 10% and the return is 200%, and the minimum investment is 0.0005 BTC and the minimum withdrawal is 0.001 BTC, and there's a withdrawal fee there. And also they provide a 15% referral level 1, and they've also got a premium plan that's paying 15% a day, only lasting 10 days, and the total return is 150%, and the minimum investment is 0.05 BTC, and minimum withdrawal is 0.005 BTC. Referral is 15% also, and there's a little withdrawal fee there. So yeah, I mean, you've got the two plans here. You've got a bit about the company there. They say they launched a new investment engine called Ebix for efficient portfolio building. It's automated investment advisory engine. How can this platform get profit? Use an Ebix tool on trade on Bitmex, Binance and any other exchange where we make profits by using our Ebix tool. Okay, so they say they are trading on Binance and Bitmex to make their profits. Why they won't add another cryptocurrency? Because apparently they only are dealing with Ethereum and BTC as it currently stands. They're saying because scam bots do, as we only trade BTC and Ethereum on Bitmex, Binance and private BTC exchanges. That's why we only ETH and have the ETH and BTC bot. We only offer what we can pay you. Okay, so that's just the gist of this Telegram bot here. If we scroll down, we've got admin. This is the admin Telegram channel. The transactions, if you want to have a look at the transactions there of you know, deposits and withdrawals. They've got global chat community, and they have a particular support channel and a channel for the admin. So yeah, I've recently got into this bot now. Apparently this bot is paying. It's quite straightforward. What you do, if you have used any other Telegram bot before, you type /start, brings up your balance. So as we can see the balance here. Okay, so this one is the BTC bot, which I've not actually invested in. Let me bring up the Ethereum one. Just give me a sec. Where is this Ethereum bot I am looking for? Scrolling up. Ebix. Okay, yeah, there you go. Ebix Trade Ethereum bot. Okay, so what we do, we click on balance. We have a look here. yeah, active investments, as we can see, 0.139 ETH I've put into here. So I'm gonna wait now and see, you know, if this thing is actually paying for me. I believe it's paying for other people. They've just started on June 9th. I believe I'm in the standard plan now, so I should be receiving 10% a day on this. So yeah, I mean, it's, you know, quite straightforward there. We go to home. This is just a way to operate the bot here. We've got balance, invest in ETH. I presume when you click on invest in ETH, it will ask you to send the money to them via their address that they provide. You've got the QR code there if needed to use that. If you need to withdraw, you click on withdraw. Yeah, and it will tell you, you know, how much you have to withdraw. At the moment, I've only got 0.05. Well, you need to have 0.05 ETH in your wallet to actually withdraw. So at the moment, because I've just started this, we're not able to withdraw. So, you know, we have to see how things work with this one, see how long it lasts. I mean, I've been in other Telegram bots before. There's one that I'm currently in as well, another one. That one seems to be paying similar 10% a day, but yeah, let's stick onto this one. Yeah, so more about this. We've got about Ebix trade. Yeah, so let's bring up some of the details there and the support there as well. Okay, yeah, so, you know, this is another Telegram bot that I'm in. I've got links in the description for this one. Yeah, I'll bring you more stuff later on and more updates. Peace.